Finally, after the recent LUNC burn by Binance, that brings the total burn of Teruna Classic to over 52.6 billion coins of LUNC has been destroyed. 52.6 billion coins have been taken out of LUNC, and Binance have actually contributed 58% of this total burn. Binance contributed 58% of this total burn, and that brings the total burn to 0.766% of the total supply. You see, we are yet to hit 1%. So many people will raise the question: whenever LUNC hit 1% burn of the total supply, from there I think they believe something different will happen. We are still on 0.76 right now. Before this burning, it was 0.74. At least 0.2 have been added to this, and we're having 0.766. And then to me, yes, 52.6 billion burn is a lot of money, and it's a lot of effort that has been done. It's a lot of contribution. Community have raised right. LUNC community, they really did their best at least to burn this amount of Teruna Classic coin. And some people will still tell you that this number is still small. Yes, we all know, but it's not easy. And I believe gradually we'll soon record 100 billion burn, and that will definitely happen this year. I believe that will happen this year before the end of this year. More than that, we are going to burn more than that. Gradually we are growing, and I'm happy to see that LUNC burning have continued. I'm happy to see people still keep supporting LUNC. Now it's ranked number 62 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Really dropped because at the time LUNC was ranked above 30 crypto coins with the highest market cap. That was when Teruna Classic was trading with a market cap of over $2 billion, and now the market cap is about $734 million, and we've lost a lot. A lot of holders, a lot of wallets have been lost by Teruna Classic, and then the trading volume have really dropped all the way for over $300 million trading volume. Now sometimes we record just $46 million, and this is why you see the burning is very low, it's very small. So I believe very soon LUNC will bounce back. By the time we start hitting over $2 to $3 billion market cap, the burning of LUNC will triple or 4 times what we are actually burning by now. Well, let's hope for the best, and I know that very soon Teruna Classic will really do well. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.